Hello everyone! Good morning po sa inyong lahat. So this is your mom docpreneur, Dr. Candy Papa. Yes, this is about the first time ever since I posted this Facebook page, di ba? Na ako po yung magbi-video para sa inyong lahat. But I just want to let you know, sino nga ba si Dr. Candy Papa? I'd like you to know me better. And yes, I am a doctor, I am a physician, I am an OBGYN who's been practicing for almost 15 years. And I'm also a homeschooling mom. Imagine you guys, I've been homeschooling my 10-year-old for the past 7 years. I'm a solo parent and also an entrepreneur for almost 10 years now. Ngayon, para saan ba ang Facebook page na ito? Naku guys, kung ikaw katulad ko rin, solo parent, nakikibaka, di ba? May karera, pero marami pang pangarap sa buhay, marami pang gustong marating. Naku, this is the Facebook page for you. Because I hope you'll find some inspiration, motivation, and insights. Paano ba ang isang solo parent na katulad ko na mamanage ang oras ko para gawin ang lahat ng responsibilidad natin sa buhay. Bilang nanay, bilang entrepreneur, di ba? Kung ikay may sariling career, nagtatrabaho ka din ba? Then, dito ka talaga nararapat, di ba? Para mas marami ka pang makuhang insights. Paano ba ang pagninegosyo? Ano bang klaseng mindset ang kailangan natin? Di ba, to fulfill all those dreams? Kasi kung ikaw katulad ko rin, bata ka pa naman, may lakas at sipag ka pa at galing na mailalabas. Dako, dito ka talaga dapat makinig. I hope you'll find the time to really watch my videos, no? And seek whatever pa ang pwede nating ma-share din sa inyo about my life. How did I do it? How to become successful? And how to really fulfill those dreams. Kaya huwag ka nang magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Follow this Facebook page and please share it to your family, friends, and loved ones. Lalo na kung ikaw din yung klase ng tao na gusto mo pa rin magkaroon ng oras sa iyong mga mahal sa buhay habang hindi naman compromise ang iyong income flow para sa iyong pamilya. So once again, don't miss it out ang mga updates natin here on Mom Docpreneur by Dr. Candy Papa. I'll see you again, guys. Thank you and follow me. Bye!